So this is our Genstone project, very small project, front porch, masonry, cinder block filled in with dirt and cement. And the stucco had fallen off of it. And I couldn't find a local contractor, mason, that wanted to be bothered doing such a small project. So we looked up the Genstone, found it, and installed it with Tapcons. And very happy with the results. The house is in a brown brick, a light tan brick brown combo, and this sandstone color we went with through Genstone. We're very happy with it. Thanks for watching.